Before operating your Columbia electric vehicle, walk around the vehicle looking for puddles or drips underneath the vehicle. Inspect the tires for any abnormal wear or damage. Ensure all labels are securely attached. Verify that the charger light is a steady green. Unplug the charger cord. Check the battery gauge for full charge. Adjust the seat to the proper setting for the operator. Clear the floorboard of objects so the pedals can move freely. Test the brake pedal for smoothness and pressure. Verify that the parking brake engages and disengages. Test the steering for smoothness. Test the horn. With the directional knob set to neutral and your foot off the accelerator pedal, turn the key to the on position. Wait till you hear a click. Verify that the system's light is green. Test the headlights. Test the brake lights by pressing the brake pedal. With your foot off the accelerator, turn the directional knob to the reverse position to test the reverse signal. Put the seatbelt on. Put the armrest down. Turn the key to the on position. Wait till you hear a click. Choose forward or reverse with the directional knob. Release the parking brake. Press the accelerator pedal to go. To slow or stop, remove your foot from the accelerator pedal and press the brake pedal. For your safety, keep all body parts inside the vehicle while in motion. Pay attention to doorways and passageways. Always use the parking brake when stopped. Follow all facility safety regulations. Ensure the vehicle is at a complete stop. Engage the parking brake. Turn the directional knob to neutral. Turn the key to the off position and remove the key. Plug in the charging cord to charge the vehicle. Verify the charging light is green to accept the charge. Re-inspect the tires. If towing is necessary, verify the key is in the off position and the key is removed. Do not exceed 5 miles per hour during towing. For any damage or maintenance needs, please inform your supervisor. For any other questions, please refer to the Columbia Payloader Operator's Manual. Thank you for watching this Columbia training video.